Start by selecting the workflow, Git issue to PR with review. This mode allows Saarthi to take any GitHub issue URL, whether it's a feature, an enhancement, or a bug fix, and start working on it intelligently. First, Saarthi checks for a configured GitHub MCP provider. If it's already set up, great, we continue. If not, Saarthi helps you add your GitHub token and configure access automatically. Once connected, it fetches the issue details, title, description, labels, and linked milestones, ensuring full context before writing a single line of code. Next, Saarthi creates a new feature branch, following proper Git conventions like feature issue ID short title. From there, the real magic begins. Saarthi analyzes the issue, understands what needs to be built or fixed, and starts implementing the solution right inside your repository. It writes clean, readable, and maintainable code aligned with your project's structure and conventions. Once the implementation is complete, Saarthi switches into review mode. It performs a structured code review, checking for logic issues, unused imports, naming inconsistencies, and even performance considerations. It doesn't stop there. If it finds something that can be improved, it updates the code automatically, ensuring the final version is consistent, efficient, and ready for production. After passing review, Saarthi generates a pull request, automatically linking it to the original GitHub issue. It crafts a clear PR title, adds a detailed description summarizing what's changed, and tags relevant reviewers or milestones if available. Everything follows your team's Git workflow. No shortcuts, no missteps. And that's it. From a GitHub issue URL to a reviewed, production-ready pull request, all handled by your AI copilot, right inside your IDE. No more switching between GitHub, code editor, and review tools. No more repetitive setup or manual checks. Just one seamless, agentic workflow that writes, reviews, and ships code the way your team already works.